if you had a chance to be happier by investing only 60 seconds of your day, wouldn't you take it? This presentation can change your life, so I hope you listen carefully.
Mrs. Sidhu asked us to do a 7-day gratitude challenge. We had to write 3 good things that happened to us in that day, every day, for 1 week.
Expressing gratitude, which is giving thanks and appreciating whatever you have. Even the smallest things in life have powerful benefits.
We could write down anything we're thankful for in our challenge for the week. This could range from appreciating the water coming out of our taps and getting an extra 5 minutes of sleep in the morning.
Having a ride to school, having 2 eyes that work and can see, having a little sibling, having an older sibling, having bread in the fridge, getting an A on a test, anything at all.
Miss Sidhu didn't tell us why she was making us do this challenge. Just that it was going to be good for us. We had to find out ourselves.
We found out that expressing gratitude just for 1 week can cause you to sleep better, sleep longer, reduce feelings of sadness and nervousness, and increase happiness.
That's not all. Appreciating what we have can also improve relationships, prevent heart disease, reduce feelings of jealousy, increase feelings of contentment, and make you more generous.
They can increase recovery time for injuries as well. The list goes on. We have only stated some of the positive benefits of practicing gratitude. As you can see, there are many. This is actually why psychologists and health practitioners assign challenges like this to their patients so that they can feel good physically and emotionally better faster.
This activity is easy, it's free, it's time convenient, and it only has positive results. You can even make the activity your own if you want. For example, you don't have to write down 3 things that you are grateful for, but drill them.
If you have a phone, create a WhatsApp group with your parent just dedicated to this and send 3 good things every day. You could send photos too.
You could also put stickers around the house of things you're grateful for. Maybe one a day so that every time you see your old stickers, it will remind you of the things you are grateful for.
And also another thing you could do is write down what you're grateful for on pieces of paper for a week or month and put them in the jar. And at the end of the week or month, read what you wrote and feel happy all over again.
You could do this activity with your entire family, your siblings or your friends. There are so many ways to get to yourself to express thanks and be grateful. It doesn't matter how you choose to do it, just choose to do it.
Researchers have shown that the benefits of thankfulness that my classmates mentioned last about 6 months after the activity is completed. Let's hear what some of my classmates were grateful for and their reflections on the 7-day gratitude challenge.
I am grateful for having eyes to see the sunrise every morning. I am grateful for having a mouth to sleep, to hear my family and friends talking. I am grateful for having ears to listen to my family talking.
I am grateful for my coaches because they help me improve. I'm grateful for my parents because they let me they give me new opportunities to explore. I'm grateful for my teacher because she helps me understand and learn new things.
I'm grateful for my friends because they've always supported my dreams. I'm grateful for my gadgets because they help me finish my schoolwork. And I'm grateful to go to private school because it gives me better opportunities in life.
The benefits of this activity our class discussed are: we slept better, we fell asleep even faster, we were more kind, and we had a good attitude.
We also found that the more things we look grateful for, the more things we could find. In fact, even the act made us focus on the silver lining and made us feel better already.
Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The stronger it becomes, the more happier and more content you will feel.
Also, if you're searching for happy moments to capture, record, or appreciate, your focus will automatically be more and more geared to look for those moments, making you happier and more positive.
Now that you know what gratitude is and how expressing it can change your life, we hope that you can start one of these activities today. The whole class was super thankful that Mrs. Sidhu decided to teach us some Bhangra moves. Bhangra is a dance from Punjab. You will see that it requires lots of energy, kicks and shoulder moves.
We hope you enjoy our performance. We certainly did. Thank you, Mrs. Sidhu.
One.
Stallion, and ain't no stand on, no, you stay on the run. Being on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 miles away, you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. All the nights back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy.